feel way better liquor. I can't chase her, no, I can't chase her.
Peace, peace, peace. Peace, peace, peace and prosperity, family. Welcome to the Wealth and Wellness channel. Welcome back to the Wealth and Wellness channel. Welcome to the Wealth and Wellness community group. I am your Wealth and Wellness life coach. I am your General Shark Jones. Me and you, we finna get to the top. I'm finna teach you what you need to learn about Personal Credit 101. That's what I want to talk to you people about. I would like to introduce myself. I am Director Jones Jr. I am the owner, founder, and chairman of Jones Wealth and Wellness Enterprise, and I will be building a free community networking entrepreneur group. All right, so we are going to be networking, we're going to be teaching, we're going to be coaching, we're going to be mentoring, we're going to be helping, assisting, all of that. One of my business adventures was to start a nonprofit organization. I am a part of a nonprofit organization. I do help a nonprofit organization. I am a professional chef for a nonprofit organization. So that's where I got the mindset to want to start my own. It's always something that I wanted to do, give back, and it's always been something that was always fit into the Wealth and Wellness brand because I was always giving back to the community and the less fortunate with Taste the World and feeding the homeless and stuff like that. So if you guys would like to join the community group, I want you guys to visit the website at www.linktree.com/Mr. Jones Jr. Join the Wealth and Wellness networking group where we are teaching individuals how to get to the next level. We're teaching individuals how to remove every and anything off their credit report. We're teaching individuals how to build personal business. We are teaching you the fundamentals, the mindset of being a professional business person. So it's like a coaching, something that I always wanted to do in the remembrance of my mom, because like I said, she's always homeschooled me on business. Even though I went to school, graduated college, she've always homeschooled me on something that the world never taught me, and that was business, how to perform business, take care of business, how to negotiate business, how to read the body language when you're in the room, how to read the room, how to properly negotiate, to how to be a professional, the mindset of how to be a professional, the mindset of being a business owner. I own a private chef business. I owned a traveling business. And I also own a consumer business that pretty much help personal people and business people reach new heights, take their credit or take their funding or take their business to the next level. And I'm also my own director of food and nutrition with my own catering business by coaching individuals to get their safe serve and to be performing at a high quality chef level. That's the one thing that one of my businesses does. And I'm also a private chef. A few of my clients are wealthy, a few of my clients are overly wealthy. A few of my clients are overseas. Pretty diverse when it comes to networking and types of business networking, and when it comes to being in a room with different types of professionals and being in a room with different type of people to negotiate different types of business. You want to have your own mindset, you feel what I'm saying? And don't let nobody take you out your character, all right? It's Mr. Jones Jr., your favorite founder and entrepreneur, aka General Shark Jones. Join the community group, man. The access is very, very limited. The information that only the 1%ers know, not the 2%ers, not the 3%ers. This is information that the 1%ers know. So if you're ready to get in the deep ocean with us, if you're ready to swim with us, you got to be ready to swim on your own, because if you drown, that's your ground.
We ain't done with the smoke. Brody, your young, he said his face hurt. I'm in Miami, you think I'm the